Hey folks, this is my brother laser printer, and I had a viewer ask me if they could show them how to reconnect with their Wi-Fi network. This is a Wi-Fi printer, and they must got an interruption, and somehow the printer doesn't remember what network they're on. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So start by pressing the power button, and this screen. So I'm going to have to zoom in and out here because my camera doesn't like to focus on the screen. So it says please wait, and we'll wait while it's booting up. You'll see that the Wi-Fi button over here is flashing because I am connected to my Wi-Fi network. But I'm going to show you how to reset it. So what we're going to do is, okay, so we're going to use a couple different buttons here. There's this button here that says menu. There's this button that says OK. There's this down button, or negative minus button, and there's this plus button. We're going to go up and down, and then stop and exit. And those are the only buttons we're going to use. But like I said, I may have to zoom in to show you what the screen says just because of the resolution on this camera and how it reacts to that light on that LCD screen. So, zoom out. We're going to go to menu. So, when you press the menu button, the screen says select up or down. That'll be these arrows here: down, up, plus up, negative down, and then you have your top menu. So go hit the down button, go to copy, 3 printer, 4 network. Network is what we want. So now we hit the OK button over here. Okay. So now it says network. 1 LAN. Scroll down. 2 Wi-Fi direct. 3 network reset. So we're going to go to WLAN, basically Wi-Fi local area network, or wireless local area network. So I'm going to hit OK. Okay. All right, now we have more options. TCP/IP, no. We're going to go down to Setup Wizard. Setup Wizard. Hit OK. Now, it's searching for our local area network. So make sure that your Wi-Fi is on. Okay, make sure your router is on. That's how you're going to get the information from anything that's on that Wi-Fi network that you want to print with to the printer. Okay, so it detected my local network. That's the name of my Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to hit OK. Now it's going to ask me for. Hit OK. Now it's going to ask me for my network key. Network key is basically the password. Okay, so obviously I don't have a keyboard here to type in the passwords, and this is just blinking like blanks. So what does that mean? Well, if you, let's see if I can do both at the same time. Okay, so if you hit the down button, it'll go through, and you can see it's changed to a symbol, a tilde, close bracket. Okay, if you go up, press the up key, you'll get numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then eventually after 9 it'll go to the lowercase a. Now remember, this is case sensitive, so lowercase letters are first. So like the first one in mine is M. You hit OK, scrolls over 1. Now your second alphanumeric code or symbol. So if you press the up key and hold it, it'll scroll through them progressively faster. So say you want to go to a capital letter. Capital letters start after it goes through the alphabet. So lowercase z, and then it'll start with capital A. See what I'm saying here? Okay. Well, I don't have any in any capital letters in mine, so I'm going to go ahead and go through here and hit my password. You can just tap this button really fast in order to scroll through them, or like I said, you can hold down and it'll go through them as well. And it starts over at the top of the list. So if you have a numeric password, this is going to go much faster than it's going for me right now, since I have to spell phrase. So just hang on here with me a second. And this happens. I mean, this happens if there's like a power failure or okay, so if you I made a mistake. So if you make a mistake, and you have to go back after you pressed OK. Hit the clear button. It also has this little return arrow on it, and it'll go back one character. So that's good to know. Yeah, but if you have a power interruption, or if you have to upgrade your network, if you have to move your printer, like say you're gonna like go over your relative's house and help them print something, like this is something you might have to do. All right, so once you're done putting in your network key, hit OK. You might have to hit it twice, and then you'll get this prompt. It'll say apply settings, yes or no. So the up arrow for yes, and then it says connecting to wireless local area network, WLAN. And you can see it is because the Wi-Fi light is flashing. See this flashing here? Okay. So after a minute, it should say connected, and it does. Okay, connected. Press OK key. So press OK key, and now we're back to the menu. So we're connected, and you can see we're connected because the Wi-Fi green light here is steady on. It's not searching. When it was searching, it was flashing, searching for the network. When it's steady on, you know you're connected to your Wi-Fi network. So that's a good way to know that you're ready to print. Okay, so yeah, you're still in this menu here. So how do you get out of that? Well, all you do is you press this red button over here, stop, exit, and now you're back in your like standby mode. Okay, where it's ready to copy. It's actually said it's in sleep. Sleep means standby. And then if you want to turn the power off, you just hold the power button until it says shutting down, and now you're done. So that's it. So I hope this helped you. Please like the video. That helps me. And see if you can help somebody else today with one of their issues. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Thanks. Have a great day.